Hello everyone. This is POW Encryption Viewpoint. I am your old friend Lowly. Welcome to this episode of Market Watch. Today, let's talk about the revival trend in the cryptocurrency market and see what stories are hidden behind it. In recent days, the cryptocurrency market has seen a comprehensive recovery, bringing a touch of warmth to many investors. Leading Bitcoin took the lead, breaking through the $81,000 mark at one point. Although it later fell back, it remained stable above $81,000. Good friend Ethereum is not to be outdone and has returned to the $2,400 mark. The total market value of the entire crypto world increased by 1.4% in just one day, reaching $2.76 trillion. This is not a small amount. What's even more interesting is that some altcoins seem to have boarded a rocket. For example, ZEC has more than doubled in price within a day, while currencies such as DOGS and FTT have also seen impressive gains. This lively scene makes people feel that the market's risk appetite seems to have returned. Moreover, today not only the cryptocurrency market is rising, but also major indices such as the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Nasdaq on the other side of the ocean in the United States have reached historic highs. Technology stocks and storage stocks continue to be strong. The dual rise of stocks and currencies often implies that the overall macro liquidity environment may be quietly undergoing some positive marginal changes. Simply put, the money in the market may have become slightly more loose and active again. However, the market never lacks new stories. It is reported that the globally important financial exchange, CME, plans to launch Bitcoin volatility futures. This is a quite professional product, which, in simple terms, provides investors with a more sophisticated tool to manage the risk of drastic fluctuations in Bitcoin prices. This is a long-term benefit for attracting more traditional large institutions to enter the market, which can make Bitcoin stand more firmly in the mainstream financial world. On the other hand, we also see some complex signals. For example, there are reports that the tension in the Strait of Hormuz has eased, which may lower the risk aversion in the global market. For some investors who consider cryptocurrencies as digital gold as a safe haven, this may not be particularly good news in the short term. So you see, the role of cryptocurrency can sometimes be quite contradictory, as it is both a high-risk growth asset and a safe haven. Today's market rebound seems to be entering a new stage of more complex and diverse games. We still need to walk and observe the future path. Alright, that's all for today's market analysis. The market is risky, and investment needs to be cautious. See you next time. If you like our videos, you can follow us and connect 3 times with just one click. See you next time.